right here. Here we go, nigga. You know now.
What's up, man? Today we're gonna be installing a Mini Cooper sunroof on a Cutlass. This is the motor in the Cutlass, man. It's a 355. Runs pretty good. This is what we starting off with. You got a big old dent right here, so we just gonna cut that roof out, man, and put the Mini Cooper roof in. We went and picked the roof up yesterday. Cut it out of a Mini Cooper. It was a 2007 Mini Cooper. One button. So yeah, we about to get to that, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm gonna get this headliner took out. Take the headliner out of this, man, and see where I'm gonna cut at. Take the skin off of that Mini Cooper sunroof. See y'all in a minute. So I'm back, man. I got the roof put in the Cutlass. This is day number 2, man. I wish I would've went through the steps, man, on this roof, but once I get to working, man, it's non-stop, man. Like I said, this is day 2. It took me probably about 6-7 hours, man, to put that roof in. Got the car still out here, man. Like I said, I got the roof in, man. It's just once I'm working, it's over. Like I gotta finish it. Mini Cooper sunroof, man. It's welded in, tack welded. Yeah, here to cut the whole roof off the Mini Cooper so I can have access to everything I need to work with. Yeah, I'm gonna put this fiberglass and stuff on here. I gotta sand this down to metal. I mean, what can I say, man? It's the whole roof. It's crazy. It's like the whole roof. He need to get this interior and stuff done. He got the interior already done. It's been a slow process, but look at the roof compared. Like it's dang there to the back window, almost to the front window. Look good, man. I'm about to wire it up. And all that, man. It's gonna be straight. Put the fiberglass and binder on there so he can go take it to get painted up. You know what y'all think, man? It look good to me. I ain't complaining at all. It's like it seems like it's bigger than the G6 I had put in here. Well, it is obviously bigger, but how it takes up the whole roof. Sir, somebody supposed to come get the Caprice today. Well, at least that's what they say, man. You know how Marketplace is, man. Basically, like, it's worse than Craigslist. Somebody's supposed to come look at it today. Come pick it up, man. Hopefully they do, so I can maybe get another different project, man. I still gotta fix the Dakota. I ain't did nothing too. I put the topper back on there because it was just taking up room in the yard. So I put the topper back on there. I ain't even touched it for real. But man, that roof looks so good in that cutty, dog. Let me show y'all one more time. It ain't down all the way. When I was at the junkyard, had to make sure it worked. But as far as it goes right now, I'm about to sand this down, put the fiberglass on there, and Bondo, and whoever's gonna do the body work, they gonna finish all that up, you know. I'll probably get a video of this mug running in a minute. He got a good built 350 or whatever is in there. It sounds good and it's running good. That's what he mainly been working on. I'm gonna get y'all a video of that in a minute after I get done messing with this. What's good? I got that roof put in. Put the fiberglass down, whatever. I just wanna show y'all what it looked like. The battery going dead on this mug. Show y'all that'll work. Feel me? It's doing a whole lot of sanding and stuff, man. That's all that dust. Getting dust on the S10 over there. But yeah. Battery dead as hell, man. I just got the jumper cables hooked up to it. But it is what it is, man. Feel me? Yeah. Y'all need something done, man, come holler at me. Yeah. It look good, man. Whole lot of dust everywhere. See, I try to blend that Bondo in. Fiberglass, whatever it is. You're gonna have to sand this back down, then put the Bondo on, you know. I just put the fiberglass between there so it won't leak, cause I don't know when he gonna get a paint job on here, you know. That's up to him. So I just put the little fiberglass on there so I don't leak. I don't have no problem with my customers. But there y'all have it, man. It look good. Hold on real quick, let me show y'all. I ain't seen too many cutlasses, man, on YouTube, man. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a whole lot of people that done did them. But, yeah. I'm satisfied with the results of it, especially when you get it painted, man. One and done, I guess I can say. I'm about to wrap it up for the day, though. I gotta get some for the carburetor, for the vacuum line. He got the vacuum line just open on the carburetor. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. Not really. But on the back of the carburetor, it has a vacuum. They had this vacuum going to the intake. So I gotta get some for that, man. I might swap them around, cause he got a big vacuum leak. And that's pretty much it. He gonna be rolling. Good motor. Wish I can start it up for you guys today. Probably tomorrow. So stay tuned, man.